Paying in-store with your Revolut virtual card is simpler and more secure than you might think. Let's walk through it in just 90 seconds. First, open your Revolut app and navigate to the card section. You'll see your physical card, if you have one, and below it, an option to create a new card. Tap New Card and then choose Virtual. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to generate a brand new, temporary virtual card instantly for both online and in-store purchases. Your virtual card's details, number, expiry date, and could appear immediately for in-store payments. You can add this directly to your mobile wallet by tapping Add to Google Wallet or Add to Apple Wallet. Your virtual card is now securely stored on your phone at checkout. Simply unlock your phone, open your wallet app, select your Revolut virtual card, and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. A quick beep, and your payment is complete, all with your secure, temporary virtual card. It's convenient, and because these card details can be refreshed or deleted, it adds an excellent layer of security to your everyday spending. So next time you shop, go contactless and secure with your Revolut virtual card.